Actually, this lab is named as RHISC lab. RHISC is a research hub for intelligent system and embedded computing. Here we are having the entire IoT devices like advanced processors. Here AI-based boards are available. So the many projects done through students as well as faculty members. For example, in our home we have to control our TV, washing machine, all other gadgets through IoT devices. When we reach college or some other places, from that we can control everything.